In the crucible of hardship, we are led to improvise. In the face of scarcity of tomatoes and pepper, cucumber and watermelon stew sufficed. Curry, cassava flakes, once scorned it by the rich, now becomes a choice. Finally, we have been humbled.
In the crucible of hardship, we are led to the fields where life's true essence is fed, driven by hunger's cry, to where earth's bounty meets the sky.
Cities once bustling, now dim in the night, as we return to soul to gather our might. For in the embrace of nature's calm, we find resilience, a healing balm.
Hands that once typed, now tend the soil. Hearts that once worried, find peace in toil. For survival's sake, we till the land, rooted deeply where hope withstands.
Through storms we weather, seasons we heed, in every seed sown, either in sacks or buckets, a promise we breed, that from these fields, where we strive and thrive, survival blossoms and we revive.
Driven not by choice, but by necessity's hand, to the farm we turn, where futures expand. From concrete jungles to fertile ground, from city limits to landscapes unbound.
Thus, in the journey from urban strife to the sanctuary of a simpler life, we rediscover what makes us whole. In the farm's embrace, where survival finds its soul.
May this song resonate with the perseverance and resilience found in returning to farming for survival and sustenance.
In the fields where dreams take root and grow, beneath the sun's warm, nurturing glow, hands that toil, hearts that sow, in rhythm with the season flow.
For in the fields a quiet grace where time slows down and thoughts embrace. The farmer's pride, the earth's embrace, a journey home in every space.
So let us honor, with every deed, the call to sow, the call to feed, in harmony with what we need, her promise kept, a future freed.
Back to farming, where life is sown, a legacy of seeds once known. In every harvest, hope has grown. To the fields we return, forever grown. Inasmuch as you have a space wherever you live, no matter how small it is, you can have a small garden. Plant something either in sacks or buckets. May these lines capture the essence of the connection between humanity and the land we cultivate.
If we grow some of the staple foods in our backyards, such as potatoes, tomatoes, pepper, cassava, corn, and yams, then the prices of these items in the market will gradually fall.
Reducing the high cost of food items can be approached in several ways. Grow your own food. Consider starting a small garden or even just growing vegetables indoors.
This reduces reliance on store-bought produce.
In the crucible of hardship, people inflate the prices of good at all. So buy in bulk.
Thus, let us turn, with hope aflame, back to farming, revive our dreams.